Unlock your rhythm, mastering Get Your Groove On. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its phrases. Today, we're exploring a fun and lively expression. Get your groove on. Whether you've heard it in songs, movies, or just in casual conversation, this phrase embodies a spirit of joy and rhythm. Let's break it down together and get our groove on with learning. Get your groove on is a colorful, idiomatic expression that essentially means to enjoy oneself by dancing or moving to music. It's all about finding your rhythm and letting loose, embracing the music, and allowing it to move you both physically and emotionally. This phrase captures the essence of being free-spirited and relaxed, encouraging everyone to express themselves through movement. The term groove, in this context, has its roots in the music world, particularly from the era of funk, soul, and disco in the 1960s and 1970s. A groove is a term musicians use to describe a compelling rhythm or feel of a song that makes you want to dance. It's that infectious beat that catches you and doesn't let go. So, when you get your groove on, you're essentially finding your place within the rhythm and letting it guide you. This expression is perfect for informal settings and casual conversations, especially when talking about music, parties, or any fun gathering. You might say, "We went to this fantastic club last night and really got our groove on," to indicate you had a great time dancing and enjoying the music. It's a versatile phrase that can add a lively, upbeat tone to your stories or invitations. Get Your Groove On has made its mark not only in everyday language but also in popular culture, featuring in songs, movie titles, and more. This widespread use reflects its positive, energetic connotations and its ability to evoke images of joy, dance, and musical engagement. It's a testament to the power of music and dance in bringing people together and creating memorable moments. Understanding phrases like "get your groove on" enriches your English vocabulary and gives you insight into the cultural nuances that make the language so vibrant. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the rhythms of life and maybe even get your groove on in your own way. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language is not just about words, it's about the feelings and experiences they convey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.